It seems like your group's morale is very low. They're not even following you.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Hard. AJ, I'm not gonna fall in the pool. Don't worry about it.
What?
I'm not gonna fall in the pool.
Apparently he is not going to fall in the pool.
Move. Ah, there's birds in my shirt. They went into the forest. There are birds on the inside of my shirt. Hold on.
It seems like there's a stalemate now with the other team nowhere in sight. Anyway, this is Greg Acha reporting live from Kazakhstan, where the battles have increased in number. So we're reporting on that now.
Look at you, Mr. Anchorman.
Hey.
Hey, you need to get away from us. You attract so much attention, it's not even funny.
Fine.
I'm sorry, nothing personal, but I ain't going in there. Back there. That's the devil's horns. Call me what's all you want. I'm not going back there.
Well, I'm gonna go find the other team in hopes of finding out what their morale is like. The other team appears to have gone into the forest to hide.
Like little pansies. Your gun gives you away, dumbass. I ain't climbing on this.
The other team is nowhere in sight.
David's behind that tree. What are you talking about nowhere in sight?
Maybe they are in
right
sight.
There.
I'm probably going to get out of here because he's going to shoot.
Out. I nailed you.
There seems to be some commotion over in this direction. I'm not sure what these men see, but it appears that I must remain silent.
PJ, they're going this way. They're going this way.
This is very dense forest in this area. The density of this forest never ceases to amaze me. There's still no sign of the other team. Oh! It appears that I've met up with some of the other team.
Are you alone?
Sir, yes, I'm alone. I would like to report on the morale of your team.
Well, the morale's pretty much over there. I've been left here all alone.
So, are you the sergeant?
Say
Or the
platoon
general?
leader?
Platoon leader?
That would make me a lieutenant, by the way.
It seems like I'm attracting attention to you.
Yes, you
Is
are.
that a bad thing?
Go that way. You might
Okay.
find the rest of my squad.
It's been nice talking to you, sir. Apparently, this forested area leads away into some sort of desert. It's okay. I'm with CNN. I'm here on a... Oh, wait. I should probably translate for some of the viewers. He says Allah is great, and we are going to kill everybody else.
Jeez, this thing isn't that great of a fortification.
Now, why do you...
English.
Why does everybody else speak English and you don't?
Osama bin Laden.
Oh, my mistake. I should have known.
Alright guys, here's the idea.
Now, we'll put subtitles on this later for the viewers at home.
Here's the idea. They're all in the forest around that area. They haven't penetrated into the desert area region yet. But once they do, we can either run that way or that way. That way is suicidal, that way is good. You should run that way now.
Nah, how about that one?
Come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
How the holy shit.
Come on.